Hi, everyone. My name is Raina Phillips, and I'm here to talk to you about the results of the survey that I conducted for my public speaking class, or for the design of my public speaking class. So I provided 5 questions, and they're listed here. The first one, as you can see, how many times over the past year have you spoken in front of an audience? Second one, rate how you feel when speaking in public. The third one is, what is your biggest fear? And fourth is, I have exhibited the following when I've spoken in front of an audience. And finally, number 5, how would you rate yourself when speaking in front of an audience? So as you can see from the results, I received 10 responses, and I don't need to read over them, but you'll see how they responded, how my surveyors responded. I got some pretty good feedback, but I probably want to do a little bit more, try to gauge or gather a few more responses from people. Few of the results, I was a little shocked, not really shocked, but just kind of opened my eyes to some things. But it also provided me some information as to how I would design this class. I've taught this class before, but it kind of gives me an idea of what content I'd want to concentrate on a little bit more as opposed to others, or maybe bring in some new content or take away some things. It definitely gave me a different perspective than prior to me teaching the class. So the survey was a really good tool for me to use to give me better ideas. So I think this will definitely be something I will definitely be using in the future and constantly, because it does help. I have there were a couple of things, like on question 2 and question 5, that was pointed out to me. I did not rate. When I gave the rating of 1 through 5, I did not give a definition for all 5 sections. I gave one for 1 equaled poor, 5 equaled excellent, and I needed to give definitions for the other 3. So I'm still tweaking this tool, this software that I'm using, so I will try to become better acquainted with it and be able to provide that information to my audience. But they still responded. I think they understood what I was trying to ask. I just needed to be more specific with what each of those ratings would meant as they were rating them, as they were responding to the question. So hopefully this will give me, at least get me started on the road that I'm trying to achieve with this class, with the design of this class, and help me provide the best education or the best learning experience for my students. But I thank you for your time and consideration, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have a great day.